Hello everyone, welcome back grade 4. Are you ready for today's lesson? Okay, our new lesson is lesson 1.8 problem solving. Okay, let's open your book, page 49. Okay guys, let's start. We have here this problem, let's read it first. Hot air balloon festivals draw large crowds of people. The attendance on the first day of one festival was 17,350. On the second day, the attendance was 18,925. How many more people attended the hot air balloon festival on the second day? So you have to pay attention to this question. How many more? If you see this question, so we're gonna subtract. We're gonna subtract these two numbers, 17,350 and 18,925. Of course, we start with the big number in subtraction, right? Okay, let's see how can we solve this story problem. First of all, you have to ask yourself three basic questions. The first question, what do I need to find? What do I need to find in this problem? Okay, I need to find how many more people attended the festival on the second day. Okay, let's see the next question. What information do I need to use? Okay, I need to use here the number of people attended on the first day, which is 17,350, and also I need to use the number of people attended on the second day, which is 18,925. Okay, let's move to the third question here. Our third question here is how to use this information. Okay, let's see how can we use this information. I can draw a diagram or use a bar model. Okay, let's see how. Okay, let's see. As I said before, we're gonna subtract 18,925 minus 17,350. Okay, let's model it here. Write with me, please. We have here 18,925. And as we said before, to make it easier, let's divide our number like that. After that, write the other number. Starting from ones place, we have here 0, 5, 3, 7, and 1. Okay, let's subtract. Here we have 5 minus 0 equals 5, because any number minus 0 equals the same number, right? And 2 minus 5 can't be, because 2 is smaller than 5. So let's borrow 1 from 9, it will be 8, and 2 it will be 12. So 12 here minus 5 equals 7, and 8 minus 3 it will be 5, and 8 minus 7 equals 1, and of course 1 minus 1 equals 0, but 0 on the left has no meaning, so let's cancel it out. Let's erase it. So our answer here will be 1,575, like that. So we can say 1,575 more people attended the festival on the second day. Okay guys, let's move to the next page. During an event, a hot air balloon traveled a distance of 5,110 feet during the first trip and 850 feet more during the second trip. How far did it travel during the second trip? Okay, let's see this word here, more. If you see this word in our problem, so you have to add here, because here he asked me about the second trip, right? The second trip is 850 feet more than the first trip. So you have to add 5,110 to 850. Let's model it here. You have to add 5,110 to 850. Okay, let's model it here. First step, you have to write our number here. The first number, 5,110. Let's divide our number like that. And let's write the other number, which is 850, starting from ones. We have 0 in ones place, and 5 and 8. And let's add. We have here 0 plus 0 equals 0. 1 plus 5 equals 6. And 1 plus 8 equals 9. And we have 5 here. Put it as the same. So the answer here will be 5,960. Like that. That's our number here. So we can say here the balloon traveled a distance of 5,960 feet during the second trip. Okay guys, let's move to the next page. Hot air balloons are able to fly at very high altitudes. A world record height of 64,997 feet was set in 1988. In 2005, a new record of 68,986 feet was set. How many feet higher was the 2005 record than the 1988 record? Okay, so how many feet higher? So if you see how many feet higher or how many, you have to subtract. So let's subtract these two numbers and model it. Okay, so we're gonna subtract here these two numbers. Let's model it here. Write with me this. We have here 68,986. And let's divide our number as we started before to make it easier, like that. Okay, let's write the other number. Let's start with ones, which is 7 here, and 9, and we have another 9, and 4, and 6. And let's subtract. Okay, now 6 minus 7 can't be, right? Because 6 is smaller than 7. Let's borrow 1 from 8, it becomes 7, and 6 becomes 16. 16 minus 7 equals 9. And 7 minus 9 can't be, because 9 is greater than 7. So borrow 1 from 9, it will be 8, and 7 becomes 17. 17 minus 9 equals 8, and 8 minus 9 can't be as well. So let's borrow 1 from 8 here, it becomes 7, and this 8 will be 18. 18 minus 9 equals 9, and 7 minus 4 equals 3. And of course 6 minus 6 equals 0. We can cancel it and erase it because 0 on the left has no meaning. Okay, so our answer here will be 3,989, like that. Okay, let's see the next question. What if a new world altitude record of 70,000 feet was set? How many feet higher would the new record will be than the 2005 record? So we have a new record here, right? Which is 70,000 feet. And he asked me here how many feet higher. So you have to subtract again. But we're going to subtract in this time 70,000 with the 2005 record, which is 68,986. Okay, let's see how to subtract it. Firstly, write the big number, which is 70,000. Let's write it here. And then divide our number like we studied before to make it easier. Like that. And then let's subtract. We have here the other number starting from ones place, which is 6 here, and then 8, 9, and 8, and then 6. And let's subtract. Okay, 0 minus 6 can't be, right? So 0 here is smaller than 6, so we can't subtract. So let's put 1 from 0. We can't. From 0, we can't. From the other 0, we can't. So let's borrow 1 from 7 here. It will be 6, and this 0 will be 9, and this 0 will be 9, and this 0 will be 9 as well. And this 0 will be 10. 10 minus 6 here equals 4. 9 minus 8 equals 1. 9 minus 9 equals 0. And 9 minus 8 equals 1. And 6 minus 6 equals 0. 0 on the left has no meaning, so cancel it. So our answer here is 1014, like that. Okay guys, let's move to number 3 here. Last year, the ticket sales for a commercial hot air balloon ride were $109,076. This year, the ticket sales were $125,805. How much more were the ticket sales this year? We have this question here, how much more? You have to subtract here, right? So let's subtract these two numbers. Let's start with the big number, 125,805. And after that, let's divide it. Okay, after that, let's write the next number. Let's start with the ones place here, which is 6, and then 7, and 0, 9, and 0, and 1. And let's subtract. 5 minus 6 can't be, right? So borrow 1 from 0 can't be. Borrow 1 from 8, it will be 7, and this 0 will be 9, and this 5 will be 15. 15 minus 6, it will be 9. And 9 minus 7 equals 2, and 7 minus 0 equals 7, and 5 minus 9 can't be because 5 is smaller than 9, so borrow 1 from 2, it will be 1, and 5 becomes 15. 15 minus 9 equals 6, and 1 minus 0 equals 1. And of course 1 minus 1 equals 0, and cancel it out because 0 on the left has no meaning. Let's erase it, and our answer will be 16,729, like that. Okay guys, that's our lesson for today. Let's have our homework. Our homework is page 53. Thank you guys. See you later.